Imagine a place where the sun never sets. In Norway's Svalbard, from April 20th to August 23rd, the sun doesn't dip below the horizon. This phenomenon, known as the midnight sun, creates a surreal world where time seems to stand still. People go hiking at midnight, and festivals are held under the sunlit sky. It's a natural wonder that defies our usual day night cycle, making it a unique experience. The constant daylight can be disorienting, but it's also a reminder of nature's incredible diversity. Like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating stories.